हेलो फ्रेंड्स, केजी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको सिल्क रोड बाय निक मिडलटन के क्वेश्चन आंसर के बारे में बताएंगे। गिव रीजन फॉर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द आर्टिकल हैज़ बीन टाइटल्ड सिल्क रोड। आंसर, द सिल्क रोड हैज़ बीन टाइटल्ड टू एंशियंट ट्रेड रूट बिटवीन चाइना एंड द outside world used by the ancient traders. The traders perhaps used this route for using silk from Kashmir. Question 2. Tibetan mastiff were popular in China's imperial courts. Answer. Tibetan mastiffs were very popular and ferocious dogs who were blacker than the darkest night. They were not afraid of anything and their reaction time was very quick. That was the reason those dogs were used to guard their master palace, so they were very popular in China imperial court. Question. The author's experience at Hor was in stark contrast to earlier account of the place. Answer. The author's experience at Hor was in total contrast to the earlier description of the place. Either earlier he had visited the lake Mansarovar and he was moved by its sanctity, but he was disappointed when he himself visited her, which was a miserable place to visit. There was no vegetation whatsoever. There was dust and rocks. They were scattered with years of collected refuge. Question 4. The author was disappointed with Darchen. Answer. There was no pilgrim in Darchen. That's why the author was disappointed. He wanted to come at the dawn to do the Kura among the religious people. Somebody told him that at the height of the pilgrimage season, visitors reached in plenty, so he had his arrival for the beginning of the season. All this disappointed him. Question. The author thought that his positive thinking strategy worked well after all. Answer. In the beginning, the author was expecting about other pilgrims. His meeting with Norwu made him disgusted. To maintain his spirits, he kept himself involved in his self-help program with positive thinking. That was the positive thinking strategy worked well after all. Briefly comment on question. The purpose of the author's journey to Mount Kailash. Answer. The purpose of the author's journey to Mount Kailash was to the Kura. The author was very adventurous and thus he went on a pilgrimage at Mount Kailash. His purpose was the academic. He wanted to describe his experience of the journey. Question. The author's physical condition in Darchen. Answer. The author's physical condition on his arrival in Darchen was terrible. Whole night he could not take relief. He was taken to Medical College of Darchen. He had a 5-day course of Tibetan medicine which he started properly. This medicine proved more effective and he recovered soon. Question. The author's meeting with Norwu. Answer. The author's meeting with Norwu made him mentally disturbed. He gave a deep idea on his option on a glass of tea in Darchen's only cave. His self-help program did not perform properly until he came to meet Norwu. He had also to perform the Kura. Question. Satan's support to the author during the journey. Answer. Satan's had a supportive role of author. It would not have convenient to arrange a car journey if he had not been there. Satan took him to the Darchen Medical College when he found himself unfit physically. The medicinal cure was given and he recovered soon. Question. As a Buddhist, he told me he knew that it did not really matter if I passed away, but he thought it would be bad for business. Answer. Satan was a driver who drove author to Darchen. He was a good Guide of author. Being a Buddhist, he would believe that the death of the person hardly matter, but if a tourist lies, then the tourism will affected. So he thought that the author's death would be irrelevant for business motive. Discuss in group of 4. Question: the sensitive behavior of hill folk. Answer: the urban lifestyle varies the people who live in hilly area. The life in the hill is very complicated. Like Hor and Dorchen, no vegetation was grown on the top of the hills. The livelihood of the people is tending their stock who reside on the hills. In urban life, people do not tame the animal for their service. They take animal service from other resources, but the people of hill area tame goats and sheep for their financial and common services. The hilly people are more sensitive than urban people. They help openly each other. So there is a variation between the urban people and hilly people. The people of hill region possess admirable behavior than other. Question: the reasons why people willingly undergo the travels of difficult journey. Answer: most of the people willingly undergo the travels of difficult journey. They show their potential in adventure. Many people in India undergo the travels of to offer the worship of God and Goddess on the top of hill region. The youngster aspire to do something different and therefore take these trips in the hill station. In various difficult journey, hidden information of these areas come in light. The new route from one country to another were explored. Most of the pilgrims places are located on the summit of the mountain. Reaching on these places is impossible, but the exploring people take interest to visit these difficult journey. Question: the accounts of exotic places in legends and the reality. Answer: the accounts of exotic places in legends and the reality are said to be different. A. There is difference in understanding the same capability for intellectual and aesthetic. Discrimination is not found to all, but the reality of exotic places and legends has no limit to describe. Second, while describing a place, the writer show a endeavor to point a global picture which is more interesting than the reality. Third, legends exaggerates the reality. They have the unique and magic power to describe the things of religious importance. Most of the descriptions are beyond the reality. Thanks, best of luck.